Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute, and I know that it's been a hot minute, but I am literally back. And today I'm going to be showing you a super simple, really pretty Valentine's look. And actually I'm just going to focus on the eyes. I already have my makeup done. I just don't have my eye makeup done. And I know a lot of my viewers have more simplistic makeup, ways of wearing their makeup and stuff like that. And so I want to give you guys something that is super easy to do. I'm a mom, and running around and chasing my child around all day is busy. And I have things I have to do around my house. I have to tidy, I have to go to the grocery store, I have to do all of these things. And sometimes I feel like my makeup gets put on the back burner and I don't feel like I have time to dedicate towards myself for getting ready. But I want my channel to be a place where you guys can find tips and tricks on easy, fast, quick, get ready, out the door, but still look good and feel confident in yourself and the way your appearance is. And for me, that's really important. Honestly, I'm not a super detail-oriented makeup guru person. I've never been, and I probably won't be. So if you guys are looking for like super detailed type of thing, that's probably just not gonna be me. And there might be some things that I show you guys that is gonna be more detail oriented, but otherwise I'm gonna just show you guys quick tips and tricks and easy looks to achieve, and I will let you guys know if it's not gonna be a quick and easy look to achieve. So without further ado, thank you for coming back to my channel. I'm excited to get started and show you guys a really fun look, and let's jump right into the video. So I'm just taking this first color and I'm going to apply it all over my lid for my base color. Then I'm going to take this second one, and I'm actually also going to use this almost all over my lid, but I'm going to just blend it in and really give myself a nice little shadow to start off with. This helps create a really nice base for the colors. Then I'm going to take this color and I'm just going to blend it kind of mostly into my inner corner to give it a little bit of depth and redness, because we love Valentines, and staple color for Valentines is red. So then I'm going to take this kind of deeper purpley red and I'm just going to blend this in. As I'm dabbing it in, it just I want to have that depth to it. So I'm just going to dab that in and then blend it. And I'm just going to keep blending this out until I feel happy with how it looks. Then I'm going to take this deep purple and I'm just going to place that right into that corner and really try to just focus it there. But I just want to add an extra level of depth to it, because I don't really like to not have a darker corner color. So I'm just pushing that just right in the corner and then just blending the edges so that it's soft. And then I'm going to take this really pretty shimmery pink color and just apply that to the lid. And I use my finger to pack on the color, but I use the brush to kind of blend it out. And then I'm just going to take this lower color. It's the color that we used at the very beginning. And I'm just going to apply that underneath my eye just so that it gives a little bit of shape. Since we have so much darkness going on up top, I don't want it to be left alone. And that's basically the completed look. I'm just going to add some mascara and lashes, and boom, we are done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a really fun one for me. I feel like for this look, it is so pretty and such the perfect way to do your makeup for a Valentine's date or Galentine's date, whatever you guys are doing to celebrate Valentine's. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.